So hey guys, today
What's
it is what's up, what up? Today it is
baby.
Today it is Saturday and I'm just not starting the vlog.
It is a day of the Lord
that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Amen. Amen. But with that being said, I'm about to
she about to go get in the water.
I'm about to go to the beach. I'm about to go to the beach and I'm gonna probably just sit out there. I think I'm gonna take my book so I can read. I'm such a nerd.
Lame. That is really lame. For real.
I like to read, so leave me alone. And what am I finna do? And the vlog from yesterday is supposed to went up this morning, but for some reason my computer is not reading my SD card. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm just gonna check it out later on. I guess I'm gonna have to combine them because I don't know. I was trying to do a vlog every day, like try like this daily vlogging thing while I'm on vacation, but I don't know. It's not reading the SD card. Yesterday I ejected the SD card out of the computer, and it was improperly ejected. So maybe that's why. I don't know. So I'm just gonna see. I'll mess with it around tonight, but right now I'm not gonna sit in the house. I'm gonna sit in the hotel. I'm gonna show you all this view. It's just so pretty, y'all. Florida is just so pretty when it's beautiful here, when the weather is good. So let me show you all. So pretty, so pretty. And there's our pool down there with a jacuzzi. I didn't get in the pool yesterday. My folks got in the pool, but I didn't really want to. But I'm about to get ready to head down to the beach. I guess I'm going by myself since my little sister is trying to wait. But she's going to be up here waiting for 2 hours. She just don't know that. But with that being said, I'm about to get ready to buck. And I guess I'll see you all at the beach. So we are headed to the beach now.
Headed to the beach.
This will be on YouTube, just so you know.
I know.
It's hot. Hot out here. Hopefully they somewhere in the front. Hey, big head. Yep. This is too close. Out here at the beach now. Thumbnail. What?
Go in and tell your mama to send me a bag of potato chips. Go tell Ash to send me a bag of potato chips. Go tell Ash to give me some chips.
She said, oh.
Go tell Ash to send me some chips. Go tell her, run. Tell your mama to send me some chips. So Mika said she wants some chips.
Making clouds. Time though.
Give me one.
What one nine?
Okay, it's done.
Where you go?
It's done.
Oh.
But I see you walking in.
Oh, D.
It's done.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Time to go. Time to go. Hey, Toot. You look cute. We're now back in the room. I can show y'all how the weather is looking. Yeah, you can see that cloud got a little dark, but it doesn't really look too bad. But hopefully, if it does rain, hopefully it doesn't rain for long, because we want to enjoy our last full day on vacation, you know. It's supposed to be muscles. Yeah. But with that being said, I am about to hop in the shower, because the Ambria is sandy, baby. Sandy. Sandy. I'm about to shower. Put on something relaxing. See what's the mood for tonight. We ain't got no mood. Since we gotta get us some mood. You gonna get us some mood tonight? Girl, put it on Snap, but like, Jacksonville, Florida, what's the mood tonight? I'm just joking. We child, please. I'll be the last. But with that being said, I guess I will see y'all when we do something else.
Hey.
We're out by the pool, waiting on family to go eat. Are you hungry?
Yep.
I am too. OOTD. I don't know if y'all can see it. Why is it zooming? Oh. You gonna show them my outfit of the day. Just hold the bottle. Yeah, hold it with your hand. Show them my OOTD. My outfit of the day.
It's her outfit of the day.
My outfit of the day. Thank you. Hey, Nana. Don't you fall in that pool? That's my outfit of the day, guys. That is my best friend. That is my best friend. Hey!
New drive, put that on my block. I just got the new beat, put that on my block. I just step my game up, got my chain up.
Get it.
I swear on my
Say it what? Only on my wrist.
only on my I ain't gon' make broke.
No, get rich.
I did it all on my own, and nobody gave me a loan.
So currently, I don't even know if you all will be able to hear this. We are at O'Reilly's because we've having some car troubles at the moment. So we were headed to go out to eat, but I guess after we take care of the car situation that we're gonna head out to eat. Y'all can't see me. I don't even know where the light is, but yeah, so we just chilling right now. Hey Maya. Y'all know Maya. That's just. Damn, she put my grandma in it. She probably looking for her.
Listen, don't take me up big now. Don't take me all lame right here.
Yeah, they're YouTube.
You got me on what?
YouTube.
I can get it on my phone again.
Yep. You gonna see all of this.
Let me get my phone. It's up there now.
No, not now. I have to put it up.
Okay, because I know I remember this little thing you were doing.
Not now. You can't pull it up. So yeah, I guess I'll talk to y'all when we're at our Probably eating or whatever. But until then, guys, I'll see you later. We are currently in the room watching Octonauts. We just came back from Golden Corral. Was it good?
Hey, brother.
Was it good? Was it good?
No. No. Malia, you is not going to come back for a little while.
She's gonna put on the light,
Hey, brother. What you doing?
She wanna come in for a little while.
Do not send me a video.
What did they have me watching? Like, you want Malia to get in? Let me scoot over.
You watching, Mama? Do you watch? Oh, they're mine. They're yours. They're yours, Lil.
Same folks. They just left me out.
We did.
They're the mom.